Hey there, Diane here. Today I'm sharing my experience with this glass cleaner. Um, this cleaner works in seconds. I literally just spray it on and wipe it off, and my mirrors and glass, light fixtures, even car windows look streak free. One thing that I really love is this foam sticks to the surface, so I don't have to worry about any dripping. It's super easy to use, and I find this scent to be pleasant and it doesn't even linger. It works really well for me when I use it on light, hard water spots or just for daily maintenance on things like shower doors. So it's best for lighter stains rather than heavy buildup. I've used it on car windows, both like exterior and interior, and even then it has left no streaks. This foam formula clings to vertical surfaces, so it makes cleaning things like windshields or tinted glass super easy. As for tinted glass, though, I always make sure that I test on a small area first just to make sure it's safe for regular use. For best results, I usually wipe with a microfiber cloth. Overall, like it's simple, effective, and just makes any surface look really polished right away. So this is my go-to for home and for my car because of those reasons that it is streak free, is fast, and super easy to use. Thanks for watching.